Hello guys, nagsigang po tayo ng baboy, pork sinigang. Yan guys. Yan. Lagyan ko po siya ng kamatis, bawang, sibuyas, pang-asim, tamarin at seasoning guys. Yan guys, nilagyan ko yan siya ng gabi at kangkong. Yan guys. So. Ayan guys. May kamatis, may gabi, may kamote. Yan guys. Gusto kasi may kamote, sarap may kamote guys. Yan guys. So. Wow. Sarap guys. Pork sinigang.